The Barcelona 1-2 Person Sauna is crafted with natural Canadian hemlock wood and incorporates 6 low EMF carbon PureTech infrared panels, ensuring a swift heat up and energy-efficient performance. Designed to comfortably accommodate 1 to 2 adults, this sauna provides a spacious interior, making it perfect for relaxation in your home or office wellness area. It features red light therapy with soothing chromotherapy lighting, while also offering Bluetooth and MP3 connectivity through built-in speakers for an enhanced experience. Operating at an optimal temperature range of up to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers soothing infrared heat that aids in muscle relaxation and overall comfort. The assembly process is straightforward, taking approximately 1 hour and requiring only a standard 15-amp, 120-volt plug, with no special wiring necessary. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, this sauna is designed for indoor use, providing peace of mind and long-term satisfaction.